Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can promote your videos on TikTok. So to do that, you are just going to select a video you want to promote. For instance, this one, select the three dots here and then select promote, and here you're going to select your goal. For instance, you want more like video views, like that. Select next, and you can also choose your audience. You can choose the default audience or custom. Here you can select the gender, all for instance, age for instance like 18 to 24 and 25 to 34. You can select more than one. For instance, interest is like let's see if they have it. I don't think they have it here. I'm just going to choose news and entertainment. You can choose more than one or two, and then you're just going to select save, then select next, and then you're just going to choose the budget and the duration of the ad, kind of like the promotion. Select next, and you're just going to pay with like TikTok coins. So remember to recharge the coins on TikTok, and then just select promote later once you recharged your coins on TikTok. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.